Hey everyone, Crafts with Crashley here. I hope you saw Jennifer's unboxing and so you have an idea of what we're doing here. We are being bad to the bones, ladies and gentlemen. This is going to be the start of the hashtag DP Summer Villains. And yes, as you could see from her video, I am pumped and I did keep nudging her and bugging her because I'm excited. So here is the image that I'm unboxing. We decided to do the same image. It's from Dreamer Designs. So some of you have probably seen the box here. Here you are. I'm gonna go ahead and take the plastic off. But when I saw this image, I, of course, had to have it. And I apologize, I'm not gonna dress up as Harley Quinn in this unboxing video. I did do that in a different one, but yeah, not today. But look at her. She is so freaking cute. I am so epically excited about this. So it is a 23.6 by 31.5 inch, 60 by 80 centimeters. And the artwork is by Kurtis Rykovich. Hopefully I'm saying that right. And it's called Harley. So you'll get a better picture of it once I open this up. But I am so totally excited. Now, this collaboration is a continuation of the DP, what was it called? For the Love of Fandom. It was a collaboration that Jennifer previously had done. It's like a continuation. And so to participate, we're going to have little activities going on along the way, okay? So I'll get a little bit more in detail towards the end, so watch the whole thing, ladies and gentlemen. Let me just pull this sucker out of here. So this will be my first Dreamer Designs that I'm actually working on. I do have a Chuck Penson somewhere or another. So they come in these cool little bags. I don't know what I would use the bag for. Maybe if I decide to go hitchhiking across Europe, I don't know. Here's some drills. So yeah, it is a square drill painting. And put those over there. And here is the toolkit. It comes in this nice little bag here. Hold on, maybe if I open it. See, the key is to be smarter than the bag, or I could be super evil and, you know, just rip it open, but like, I don't know, I could put all sorts of things in here, like coins or something. I could be like 80 and have a coin purse. What the, you know, sometimes with knots, I just tend to make them worse by trying to undo them. Come on. I'm about to go get my bat or something and start blowing things. Okay, hey, here we go. That's all I had to do. I had to threaten it to show it who's boss. All right, let's see what they gave us here. Okay, so we have the nice fleece bag. Let me just zoom this in a little bit. There we go. Nice fleece bag. It is branded. They got me some multi-placers, some wax, and they have these 2 trays which are also branded. Very nice. We have the death tweezers that I can also do evil things with. Hey. And then we have a plastic tip pen and a regular tipped pen. I guess I can decide which way I want to go. And I have a squishy that's stuck to the... Who squished the squishy? Oh, it's evil. Whoa, I'm just going to put this back in here. So as you can see, everything that you need to actually complete it. But most of us have the fancy tools. They also gave me a giant straightener, a 3-placer, and it looks like a 6-placer. And some baggies. And the wax is also branded. She is overcompensating for much. Dreamer Designs. Just kidding, kind of. All right, so I put them all in my pouch. And then I tighten that sucker up. Let's see what this looks like. Okay, let's put this out. Oh, it has a bow. Oh my gosh. What else is in here? Jeez. Oh, I get 2 packages of drill. Big ballin'. Yeah. And I'll set these over here real quick and then we will look at the canvas. I'm so excited. Okay, let me just unwrap the pretty bow. Okay. Oh my gosh. Are you guys so excited? I am. Okay, I'm just gonna open this up real quick and I'll get you a better view because my desk is it's a little on the small side, so just bear with me here. All right, so here it is kind of laid out here. Now again, I can't fit it all on my desk, so I will put another clip at the end of this, you know, of close-up of the symbols and everything. But here you can see it. Oh, I love this guy right here. This is also a really good one to use sparklers with. But I love this version of Harley. I really do. I even like her wacky hair up here. And then you have the bat signal here. I don't know if you can quite see that. But it's all really cool. And like the little mini Joker, you know, because, you know, we're women and, you know, we don't get overpowered by no man. I'm just saying. I'm just looking at things. So it's kind of weird. If you look here, there's like an actual border. I don't know if I've ever seen that before. Like it almost looks like it's supposed to be a line of a drill field, but it's just solid. Interesting. You see that? I don't know if I've seen that before. But yeah, it goes all the way around, a solid border. And Dreamer Designs, this is part of their 2.0 kit, and it is poured glue. The symbols look nice and clear, and again, I'll give you a close-up of that. This whole collab is going to be super fun. I have a couple ideas how I want to do some giveaways. Oh, real quick, one thing I didn't show you is it came with instruction and the sticker thing, which is super cool. It's 60 colors, and you can, you know, snip these off to label your containers. This is a sticker, I believe. Let me just double check. Here we go. Yes, okay, I got the backing off. There we go. It's totally sticky. Okay, sorry, squirrel there. You know. Anyway, I had an idea to do like a scavenger hunt kind of giveaway. You know, since it's all about villains, maybe like a picture of you doing something kind of evil. But, you know, let's not get crazy. I'm not asking you to go rob a bank. But I don't know, maybe you put the toilet paper on the roll backwards. I don't know, something just a little sneaky. You never know. Or maybe you, I don't know, put socks in the wrong drawer. Something innocent but evil. So there's going to be more information to come on that as we go. We don't really have a set plan because that's what evil people do. They don't give you too much information, right? It's all going to be a surprise. But it is going to start June 1st, and there is more information on Jennifer's unboxing videos, so if you have not already watched that, head on over to DP Addiction Adventures. That's my bestie, and we're going to be working on this canvas together. Obviously, you don't have to work on this because it's not even available with them anymore. You can do any villain, or like Deadpool, or I don't know, the Wicked Witch of the East or West, or whatever the Wicked Witch was from. Who knows? But you can do anything you want. It's a continuation of For the Love of Fandom. So again, more information is on her channel. I am so pumped to work on this. I think we weren't even planning on doing it super soon. But I, you know, was bugging her. Like, you know, you heard her in her video. I was like, I'm ready to work on this now. Because I'm so excited. Just look at her face. All right, well, that's it for this one. More information to come. Check out our live. She goes live on Friday nights. I go live on Sunday nights. So yeah, check us out. We will be posting information. We'll also probably be posting information in our Facebook group, Creative Craft Addictions. And that link is in the description below. So yeah, we will let you know further what the next steps are. So find your canvases, ladies and gentlemen, and come be evil with us. Ta-ta for now. Oh yeah, if you're new, don't forget to subscribe and put a thumbs up on this video for me. Until next time, everyone, bye.